Welcome to Learn, Apply and Build, and me as Meet Jedwa, your instructor. And today we are going to do a small project on text to speech. So to begin with, I've just labeled a file that is T2S. You can call it anything. .py means Python file. Now I'm just importing from the GTTS, that's Google Text to Speech module, and I'm just importing the capital, okay, so the small g and then TTS. Okay, so this is the class which is it created. Now I just import OS, that is my operating system, and then what I can do is I can just name, or I can just store any variable. I'm just going to call my name here, and I take an input from the user. So let's take an input as enter your name. Ask the user to enter the name. Enter your name, and then just colon and a space. And now that the text which is going to be talked by the OS, by the operating system, will be my text, a variable, and my text is equals to, that will be, and that will be as hello, and then that will be a space here, and now this will be called as welcome to, you can say as, I'll just call it learn, apply and build, or welcome to learn, apply and build. And then to end with, I'll have to use a format, a dot format extension. So after this double quotes, I'll just call it as dot format, and then name of the user. The name variable which I have asked for is called here again. And after this is called, let me specify that the language the OS will talk in is English. So it will be language is equals to specify that it's en, let's just label it as en. Now let's create an object of the GTTS class. So I just create my obj. You can use anything. My object is equals to small GTTS, and then GTTS. Now text, what will be the text? So the text is equals to my text, and the language is language, comma, the speed, how the speed is. So if I just slow is equals to, labeled as false, boolean value. Now I save this, my object, my obj dot save, and I want to save it as welcome. So as it is a welcome message, welcome dot mp3 in an mp3 format. And then now I just take my OS to talk about that using this mpg and 321 mpg 321 player, and I just save welcome dot mp3. Now I just save this file, and once I save this file, what we can do is we can go ahead and we can run this file here in the terminal. So the file was called as T2S. So I just write Python, how to call it as Python 3 T2 and S. You press a tab and it auto completes the file name. So it will ask me for the verification. Okay, so I just missed something here. I just missed the double quotes here in the code. So to end with here, end of line, in end of line, so I just finish this. Okay, so that welcome.mp3 is played by this, and then again save this file, go to the terminal, and then run this. It asks me for my name, so I just write Meet. Okay, so my language which I had used was language, and that lang was the keyword which is used here is not language. Suppose it's lang. So let's just save this here again and go to the terminal. Let's just clear this mess out and run the file again. I give my name as Meet.
Hello, Meet. Welcome to Learn Apply Build.
and it decodes the message. Okay, so yeah, the software absolutely it's coming with no warranties, so you can use it at your own risk. It's GTTS and whatever. So yeah, so that's the you can also read about it here as on the GitHub wherever the file is and the audio player being used. But yeah, it's a fun and a cool project to work on to showcase uh, your repository or to showcase the projects you've worked on, you've learned. Okay, so these are simple projects of Python you can learn quickly and you can showcase it to someone and keep learning more. So thank you guys. Let me know down in the comment section how and where we can improve some of the pro- programs or projects. What all projects can we add inside the course, and I'll definitely do it for you guys. Thank you so much.